In this example, first we will create a text area long field on account object. Then we will create an Apex class and use it in our prompt template, and our prompt template will be of field generation type. Once all the components are ready, we will generate account record summary with its related cases and save in the text area. This is our Apex class named Account Summary AI, and it has an invocable method named getCaseData. It's a best practice to provide the label, description, and capability. Type is required, then only our prompt template will be able to access this method. This class has request and response internal classes. These classes will handle the schema to provide our input values, and the response will have the prompt generated to get our details. So our method is returning the responses. Initially, we are fetching all the cases which is related to the account. If there are no cases, we are returning the message. If we have related cases, we are preparing our prompt instructions that will be incorporated in prompt template. Once it's ready, we are adding the response to the list of responses. That will be our final prompt. We will see it in our demo. We can add merge field from resources. We have added account name from the account object, and when we go to Apex under resources, we will be able to see our Apex class. Now we are ready to generate some preview. In the resolution, you can see the actual prompt that has been generated to get results. This prompt gets case instructions from our Apex class. Let's see the output.